Jordan, where do I even begin? I feel like we've been waiting for this moment for forever, and we're finally here. Ten and a half years ago, when I first met you at Carl's, I knew you were special. We just connected, talked for hours, found out we had so much in common, and we just hit it off. That night when you left and you awkwardly kissed me on the forehead goodbye, I could not stop thinking about you.
Jessindae, my partner in crime, my rock. A little over 10 years ago, we met on our first date, and here we are today, making the ultimate promise to each other. We met on a night where I was not supposed to be there whatsoever. My plans fell through. I showed up to a house party. A few minutes go by, and out of nowhere, I see this gorgeous redhead with an incredible butt. I asked my buddy, "Who is that redhead?" He responds with, "Jessindae." I come back with, "Jessa who?" Once more he repeats it, and I go over and introduce myself to you. As you said, we spent most of the night getting to know each other, and the rest is history.
We've had our ups and downs over the years, but honestly, that's what solidifies what I knew a very long time ago, that you are my forever person. Because no matter what the argument is, we work through it together and we come out the other side stronger.
Jessindae, there are so many things that I love about you, including your drive, your passion, your cooking, but most of all, the man that you shaped me into. Every day, I'm trying my best to create a better future for us, because I know that you're doing the same. Along the way through our journey, there have been some bumps in the road just like any other relationship would have. From living apart in different states, to planning a wedding during the pandemic. No matter the obstacles in the road, there's no one I'd rather have for a ride than you. Oh my God. Fucking kidding me? Oh, wow. This is so fucking real right now. You look
We're doing it.
Incredible.
I truly can't think of a better time and place and overall weather and location for this occasion that I know is not only going to be monumental for these two, but also for all of us. We're lucky to know them and love them as individuals, but even more so as a perfect parent.
Jordan, you're not only my best friend, but you're my soulmate, and I love you with all my heart. I'm so excited to start this next chapter of our lives together. I choose you, always.
Forgive me, guys. That was really good. I promise to continue to grow with you, to always keep an open mind, and to love you unconditionally to the moon and back. We've accomplished so much in these first 10 years together. I can't wait to build the next 10 right by your side as your husband.
It is my honor and delight to declare you husband and wife. Jordy, you may kiss your bride.
this evening last. Put on an old song, put on that new dress. Tomorrow's coming, but it ain't here yet. We got stars outside, just you and I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing, ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you. So loose shoes and dance with me, dance with me, dance with me tonight. Dance with me tonight. We can just forget the deadlines.
Jess and I have the same tendency to just say yes first, take things on, and then figure it out. Jess is a person I've always known to just generally somehow fit 30 hours worth of things into 24 hours and still sleep and eat. As we grew up, I always sort of wondered, I was like, who's going to be able to keep up with her? And I realized what she needed was someone to slow her down, have a beer, watch a football game, just sit down for a few minutes.
Dance with me, dance with me tonight. Dance with me.
We've all been incredibly lucky to watch you so far. We can't wait to see where this is going. Love you so much. Cheers.
I don't know where to start, dude. My fucking brother's married. Sorry. They're the only couple that I know that have back-to-back golf league trophy champions in their living room. So everybody raise your glasses for Jordy and Jess. Kirk!